Bienvenidos a la programa de Matthew. Me llamo Matthew Shapiro, and today we will be making beef enchiladas. The ingredients are 8 harina tortilla, uno medio clove de garlic cortado, una tercera parte tazo de mediano cortado cebolla, 3 cucharadas de canola oil, 2 tazas de afable salsa, una taza de afable queso, 1/4 taza de cilantro, una taza de agrio crema, una taza y media libros de suelo carne de vaca. The first thing you do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. It's preheating. Next, turn on your stove and put a large frying pan on it. Turn the heat to high heat. Next, place 3 tablespoons of oil onto it. Oops, that's a lot. Cook the tortilla for a couple seconds, then lift it up and put another tortilla under it. Do this until all tortillas are done. Next, you will want to saute the onions and garlic for about 4 minutes. Now add the ground beef to the pan and cook until it's brown and all the way through. Next, you will want to combine the onions and meat and start cooking. Then you'll want to chop the cilantro, and when the meat is done, you'll want to remove it from heat and add the chopped cilantro to it. And stir. Next, add 2 cups of mild salsa to the pan.
Did anyone else just give us an aftermath? Oh, we both replayed that talk for 0.
And stir for 5 minutes. Then add some salsa to the large casserole pan. Take the tortilla and add some meat sauce. Roll the tortilla up and place in the casserole pan. Do that until all 8 tortillas are filled.
Can you my hand?
Oh,
Because that's what your name is on Snap.
Also, put cheese on top of the enchiladas. Put the beef enchiladas in the oven for 20 minutes.
Me importas.
Can we do this first?
Wait, give me how many parts I know. E2, E solamente 2, E2, 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 E2.
After the beef enchiladas are done, or the 20 minutes are up, you'll want to cut them. Then, you will want to take a spoonful of sour cream and add it on. Now you try them. Delicioso.
Los sabres crece un obra de arte.
Thank you for tuning into my cooking show. Adios.
And in high school, we're famous. Actually, no, you can't.
And she came and talked to me and Maddie. And she's